The truth about blood sugar supplements. Many people turn to supplements as a quick fix for various health issues, including the regulation of blood sugar levels. It's important to recognize that supplements are not always a magic bullet. While there are some supplements, such as chromium, cinnamon, and berberine, that have been linked to potential blood sugar benefits, their effectiveness can vary widely from person to person. The body's metabolism, the presence of other health conditions, and even the quality of the supplements themselves can influence the outcome. In addition, taking supplements without proper medical guidance can be risky. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen, especially for managing blood sugar. They can provide personalized recommendations based on individual health needs and conditions. Ultimately, supplements should not replace conventional treatments for blood sugar control, but may be considered as complementary to a healthy diet and regular exercise. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.